I just want to give you an update on the fixed leash. We moved away from the variable one so that we want to make sure, we want to see if Coco pulls more or less with the fixed one, because in the variable length he pulls a lot. He goes zigzagging everywhere, and since we've been using this fixed length, there seems to be less pulling from him. Now see, he's still pulling, he still wants to go there, but not as bad, and there's some tension here. Hopefully in the long run the short leash will help him to walk with us in a more orderly fashion instead of crisscrossing and running us around and getting us tripped up with the long leash. Right, Coco? 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 Good boy. Let's go. Let's go home. Alright, we're almost home. Yeah. Coco, let's go. Let's go home. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. You want to go? Or you want to sniff around here a little bit? Some of the perennials are coming out. The theme of this front yard, well, you don't see it here, but this is also purple. So purple, purple, purple. And you are Coco. Okay, let's go in. Come on. Today we're gonna have sushi and sashimi, and Coco loves sashimi. We give him like 1 or 2 pieces of tuna and salmon sashimi. Alright, have a great Friday. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.